Good morning everyone. Myself Lalani Naina, your English teacher. In last video, I have explained you about tenses. That was the chapter 8, the simple present tense. First part we have done simple present tense. Now we are going to do about exercise for negative sentence. How we have to make it in negative. Now what you will think, what is negative sentences? अब हमें टेंसेस जो दिए हुए हैं क्वेश्चन उसका हमें नेगेटिव बनाना है. नाउ नेगेटिव इज व्हेन वी आर सेइंग नो टू समवन. अगर हम किसी को ना बोलते हैं किसी चीज के लिए, इट मींस हम उनको नेगेटिव रिस्पांस दे रहे हैं, राइट? वी आर गिविंग देम नेगेटिव रिस्पांस. फॉर मेकिंग नेगेटिव वी आर यूजिंग नो, नॉट, नेवर. These three words we are using. But in your syllabus, for which exercise we are going to do, in that we have to use not, not for negative, right? Now I am going to show you the negative rule for negative sentences. Okay? Here we have to start negative sentence. Now how we have to start negative sentence? We have to start negative sentence with this rule. Whether our question is starting with singular or plural noun, we have to use, this is the structure for negative sentence. How we have to make it? See, if we are writing singular or plural noun is given, plus we have to use do, does form, plus not. Here see, not is compulsory to use because we are going to make it in negative. How we have to make it negative? Negative को कब बनेगा? When we are using not sentence, not word in that sentence, right? Plus verb. जो हमने verb सीखा है, जो जैसे कि verb था play, write, dance, sing, read, frat. These are the verbs. So we have to use that verb also, right? Now I am going to show you the table where we have to use do and where we have to use does. Right? In table it will be clear to you how we have to use do or does. See, now we have done last exercise ABC, and there were rule also for singular. What we were doing if our sentence was starting with singular noun like he, she, it, or singular name was given to us. What we were doing? We were adding s or es in the verb, and in plural we were doing with our sentence starting with plural noun like I, we, you, they, or plural names are given to us. We were doing writing simple form of verb, means we were not adding s or es in it. हम s और es ऐड नहीं कर रहे थे, simple form of verb लिख रहे थे. Now like this only we are having table for this when we have to use do or does. When we have to do does. Okay, so when we are having first person singular is I, we have to use I के साथ हमको क्या यूज करना है? Do. We have to use do with I. Okay. In first person plural के साथ we के साथ हम क्या यूज करेंगे? do, do. Now in second person you is given to us with you. कौन सा दोनों में से यूज होने वाला do के does? Here we have to use without s because here it is you. यहाँ पे भी क्या यूज होगा? do. Here also we will use do. Okay. Now in third person singular is he, she, it. When our sentence starting with he, she, it, we have to use does because in singular we were using s form of verb, right? S form of verb we use कर रहे थे. It means here when our sentence starting with he, she, it, so we have to use does, right? Now here they is given. In third person plural के साथ हम क्या यूज करेंगे? do. There is no need to add es in that. Okay. Now particularly I am going to show you the structure or rule for the singular noun. When our sentence is starting with singular, how we have to write? For that I am going to show you the structure. See, now this is the rule for singular noun. Means when sentence starts with he, she, it or singular noun. Singular name means जब हमारा sentence he, she, it या singular name पर्टिकुलर किसी चीज के लिए name mention किया है optional. At that time we have to use does not. We have to use does not. Right? Means in singular we were using S form of verb. Here also the same rule will be applied. Does not. Now this is the structure. How you will write? First singular noun only we have to write. जो singular noun क्वेश्चन होगा that only we have to copy down. Plus not. Why we are writing not? Means we have to make it in negative. It will be negative. So for negative we have to add not, not plus verb. Don't forget to add verb. हमको यहाँ पे verb भी जो क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ होगा that also we have to copy, that also we have to write. Don't forget to add it in answer. आप आंसर को उसको verb को लिखना मत भूलना. आप ऐसा मत सोचना that we are using does not, ये भी verb है तो there is no need to write verb. No, it's a wrong. We have to write singular noun. जो क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट दिया हुआ है उसका फर्स्ट नाउन जो भी होगा वो लिखना है. Then we have to write does not plus verb, same as it is. Okay. Now I am going to show you this as same rule for plural noun. Okay. Now this is rule for plural noun, right? When our sentence starting with plural noun, that is I, you, we, they, or plural name is given to us. At that time we have to use do not. Do not, because as we were doing earlier, we were writing simple form of verb without adding s or es. In this manner only we have to write here do. D-O, do, and not. Now for structure is that first we have to write plural noun, means first what is given to us in question. First word that we have to copy plural noun plus do not. Plus do not. For plural noun we are adding do and not for making it in negative, right? Plus verb. Here also we have to add verb also. Don't forget to add verb. Okay. Now after this now I am going to show you some examples related to singular and plural noun which are given to us. We have to make it in negative sentence. Okay. Now see, here are the examples for making it in negative sentence. Okay. Now see, first we have to recognize in which form it is given to us, whether it is singular or plural, right? Now first is Ravi fights with anyone. Here sentence starting with Ravi. Here Ravi is a boy and Ravi is a boy and it is in singular. See, here Ravi एक ही है, it is in singular. बहुत सारे नहीं हैं. So that's why in question what they have written fights. For singular we were adding s, right? तो यहाँ पे क्या लिखा हुआ है fights with anyone. Now we have to make it in negative. What is the rule for making it in negative? What is the rule for making it in negative? For negative we have to make it first of all this is in singular now. So we have to write it same, means Ravi. Now what we have to add in it? This is in singular. For singular what we were doing? Writing D-O-E-S, does. Here means अब जो ये fights का है, here we have to write does as well as not for making it a negative, right? As I told you while showing you that rule, I told you we have to write that verb also. हमको ये verb भी लिखना है. So here अभी यहाँ पे fights है. What we will write here? Fights. No, there is no need to write fights. Here we will not write fights because as we have already written does. यहाँ पे हमने does already लिख दिया है because it is already in S form. So there is no need to add S again in this verb. We have to write now verb in simple form only. ये singular का sentence है. Then also we are writing fight in the simple form because we have already written here S form. Does हमने लिख चुके हैं इसलिए यहाँ पे S नहीं लिखेंगे. Only fight we will write. The fight same as it is we have to write with any one. Okay. Now come to the next example. Next example is she cleans her own room. Means first of all we have to recognize the sentence whether it is in singular or plural. Now see here sentence starting with she. Sentence starting with she comes in the singular, right? She किसमें आता है? Singular में आता है. Now what we have to write? First of all we have to write same. Singular noun को same लिखना है. She. Now here the verb is in cleans. What we have to do? अब ये cleans है. उसके साथ मैंने आपको बताया for making it negative what we were doing? We were adding does. Does. It means here वर्ब के दो पार्ट्स करके लिखने हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू ऐड डज एंड नॉट ऑफ कोर्स. यस देन क्लीन. डोंट मेक मिस्टेक. क्लीन्स मत लिख देना. यू हैव टू राइट ओनली क्लीन. एस मत ऐड करना. वी हैव टू राइट ओनली क्लीन बिकॉज वी हैव ऑलरेडी रिटन हियर डज. सो अब वर्ब में यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे दोनों टाइम एस नहीं आएगा. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर नॉट एडिंग एस हियर. नाउ एस वी हैव टू कॉपी सेम फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन. हर ओन रूम means answer is she does not clean her own room, right? अब does not आ गया. It means it is in now negative sentence. Okay. Here our next example is you listen in class. You listen in class means now first recognize that first word is you. Here it is singular or plural? Here it is in plural, right? अब ये कौन सा फॉर्म में है? प्लूरल फॉर्म में है. So for plural what I have told you, what was the structure for plural noun? When plural given is to us, we have to start with same as it is means plural का plural form लिखना है हमें. After that what we have to do? We have to do for lesson we have to add do. We have to add do plus not. Do not. What we have to add? Do not. Now same word we have to copy. Here we will write listen. We have to add verb. So listen का listen ही लिखा है because here already जो यहाँ पे verb दिया हुआ है listen means plural के साथ जो हम verb लिखते थे it was in simple form only. So यहाँ पे भी same लिखेंगे simple. So there is no need to make any changes in there. यहाँ पे plural है तो do not listen. Okay. Now same we have to write from question in class. Okay. Now next is phone number. I go to sleep at 7 o'clock. Here the sentence is starting with I. I comes in the plural noun, right? I comes in the plural noun. So what we have to write first? We have to write I. For go verb we have to write do. Do not, right? We have to add do not. Same as go to sleep at 7 o'clock. What we have done? For plural noun we have added do not and same as verb जो simple form verb लिखा हुआ है then we have written simple form of verb and rest of the thing we have copied down from the question. Means I do not go to sleep at 7 o'clock, right? I hope you all understood what is the rule for the negative sentence. For making negative sentence these are two rules only for singular and for plural. If you are having any